Hey YouTube. So the day has come to take this thing into Speed Shop and get camber plates and front sway bar installed. Um, Bought it a little bit ago, but I haven't had time to put it on, so the shop is going to help me out. We got some camber plates and the sway bar, and we're going to take a look at it now. By the way, this is kind of what the old stuff looks like. So if you don't have... These came from the factory either with the performance package, which mine did, but they never got installed, and whoever I got the car from didn't give them to me. So this is what the stock ones, the ones that you cannot adjust, look like. So let's take a look at these. This is for performance parts. Basically, this is stock Mustang strut mount adjustable camber plates. Part number M18183-MDH. So I didn't go with the aftermarket camber plates because the way our classes are set up in autocross, I can run a camber plates in F Street only if my car was ordered that way from the factory, which mine was. But whenever I got the car, I didn't get the camber plates from the previous owner. So I got these stock ones. They were like $345 or something like that from Summit. Took a couple weeks to get them. But let's take a look here. Nothing really fancy. I don't know. I guess there's something like reassuring about the stock adjustable performance parts. For me, I'm not too bummed. The camber is a little bit limited. The adjustment of the camber is a little bit limited on these, but you know, I can always get some other ones at some point. But I just like having stock stuff on it for the most part. There's not too many modifications on my Shelby, but these look pretty legit. We'll see how much camber I can get out of them. The website says I think you can go up to like negative 2.5, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Ford, by the way, I called Ford and I was trying to see if they would install them at no charge because the car, you know, is just part of the package, and there's some other videos basically saying that Ford should really install these at no cost if the car was originally ordered with them but it was never put on. But Ford dealership that I was dealing with wasn't willing to do that. I escalated it to Ford, and they were basically saying the car is like too old, and I wasn't the original owner, and you know they're not going to pay for it. So, which was, you know, I guess it was worth the try because it's going to be about $400 to put these on, and you know, I was trying to save some money, and but I'll just pay for it. It's fine. So that's the camber plates. Let's take a look at the sway bar. I haven't opened it yet. All right. The sway bar, front sway bar. This is from Steedo. Haven't opened it yet. It's been sitting in my garage for a couple weeks now. Let's check it out. I haven't really done any mods to the car, anything like performance wise. I've been autocrossing it pretty much stock. I mean, I have some tires on it, and just been kind of learning the car. I wasn't really in a hurry. I mean, the car is just so great as it is from the factory. I was kind of thinking my driving is probably the biggest hindrance of performance times, and so I wasn't in a hurry to buy any performance parts, but I've been getting more consistent, and I moved into a more competitive class, XF Street. So, and these guys that I compete against are really good drivers, really fast. So I figured, okay, I need something to keep me competitive, and I can feel that I could definitely use some more ability to turn in the corners, and you know, going through slaloms, there's a lot of kind of sway, I feel like now, as I get used to the car more. So this is adjustable too. There's three holes here. I'm not going to open it completely, but you can see the picture. All right. Let's go.